What's up everybody, my name is John and this is my tech channel. Today we're going to be finishing the unboxing of my 8 Plus box. So, well, guess we have all that. Silver 64 gig, tells you what comes in it, whatever. Yeah. And yeah, your quick tips things, or fingertips, sorry. Then these are kind of weird. Oh, your adapter, your little dongle. They kind of skimped out on this, unless it was just so they could have the dongle. I've never seen this. This like cardboard thing instead of the plastic container, which no one really used the containers, but whatever. And you got your charger down here, just like normal, I guess. This is weird too. It's like in like a, how do I explain it? You kind of tell like that where it's sticking out. It's like a weird wrap. It's not like the clear that they usually use. Maybe a little peel thing here. Weird. It's just different, not weird. This is why I don't know why they didn't go with the little container and then like throw the dongle somewhere else in the box, but I don't know. And the phone obviously would have been right here, sitting right there. And yeah, that's really about it. Do I still get an adapter? Well, I feel like going through this thing, but I don't think I do. Oh, Apple stickers, yeah. 2 of them. Weird, you don't even get a SD card thing. Is it all of them? I don't really know if all of them have it like that, but I don't have an SD card thing. Weird. That's unfortunate. I like those. Okay, thanks for watching. Just wanted to open this up on camera.